Okay, today we have a Cabriolet Golfing with a water leak problem, so we're just going to show you what we've found now we've finished our procedure. So my colleague's just going to pour some water down on the Cabriolet roof, and so I'm just going to quickly get in there and show you what we've found. So if we go in the back here, on your passenger side, we have your Cabriolet drains here. So if my colleague just puts some water down, there we go. So it's starting to back up on itself, so that's obviously blocked, so it's backing up, and then it's working its way in the box sections and then making its way down to obviously the passenger footwell. And if we just come over to the driver's side here, I'm just going to simulate the same thing. Just quickly get my torch out. So this is the driver's side, so he's just going to put a bit of water down on the outside there. And there we go, so we can just see that filling up. So that is leaking. You can just see there that there's a bit of water just starting to come up here. So they're both blocked there. So it's a case of obviously cleaning them out so they run freely. So that'd be the first two water leaks we've found.